Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So I'm on a day trip to Gwalior and I thought why not show you all the makeup and skincare that I am carrying on my trip. So let's see what's in my bag. So I'm carrying all the skincare and beauty in this bag, which is pretty big and contains all the skincare, hair care, body care that I need for this trip. So in no particular order, I'm gonna show you what all I have. So firstly, I am carrying these three perfume samples because I did not wanted to carry a big perfume bottle, and these are pretty sufficient, and I think it's okay, like a good thing for a 2-day trip. So I have these samples. I have some earrings here, and just I was just carrying them to see if this matches and looks good with the outfits that I have. A scrunchie, a comb, and I'm carrying a dry shampoo from Wishcare, which comes very handy. Uh, I This is the first time I'm using this. Till now, it's pretty good, but I'll probably have to use it more to like form a proper opinion on this. Then I'm carrying this face wash from Innisfree. It's pretty good, and the reason why I'm carrying only this and no makeup cleanser is because this works good for both the things. So I can use this as a face wash, and this cleans all the makeup, and डबल क्लेंस भी मैं इसी से कर लेती हूँ, तो ये बहुत अच्छा है पूरा मेकअप वेकअप हटाने के लिए. सो नाउ coming to more skincare, this is a face clean gel and it's a pretty staple in my skincare routine, so I always carry this with me. The next thing I have is this Aqualogica Fluid Moisturizer. It's pretty nice. It's pretty. It has like the name suggests, milky consistency. It's not too creamy. It's not like a gel, and it's pretty good for I think all the seasons that we have. So summer में भी अच्छा है, winter में भी अच्छा है. Then I am using this SPF juice from Face Skin. It's pretty nice, काफ़ी lightweight है and does not look very heavy, and also makes like gives your skin sort of like that glow. तो ये भी I am liking this a lot. Then in this pouch I am carrying only 3 brushes and a sponge wrapped in a tissue paper. I have wrapped it in tissue paper ताकि brushes का कुछ भी residual powder sponge में ना लगे. So that is why I'm carrying, and these are the only tools that I need in my like everyday makeup routine also. Then there's this small mirror that I have. I got it as a gift from my friend. She got it from Miniso, I guess, and it's pretty handy. आप अपने पर्स में भी रख सकते हो, travel में भी easy है, and you can just do your little touch ups on this. So I always carry this. Then there is these 2 tissue paper that I have. I always carry tissue papers with me for my face, and if my hands get dirty, these come very handy. These are also from Miniso. Then I have 2 more pair of earrings I was carrying as a backup in case I think the जो भी मैच करेगा मैं वो पहन लूँगी, तो आई एम कैरिंग लाइक 2 more of these earrings. There's a clutcher. Everybody needs a clutcher. Now I think only makeup is left, so I'll just show you what all makeup that I have. I have this Recoat primer with me. I sort of have a habit of always using a primer no matter how much makeup I'm using. So primer is always there in my makeup kit. Then there's a MAC strobe cream. This blush from Posh Beauty. There's a foundation which I generally don't use but I carry in case I want to. I want to feel a little fancy and मेरे को करना है पूरा makeup. So I have this also. Then I have this powder, loose powder from Fit Me. This bronzer from Cuffs and Lashes. This highlighter from Mary Luminizer. This is the highlighter that I'm wearing as like eyeshadow today. So I'm not sure how much it is coming on the camera, but like when you see it from सामने से तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है because वो इतना bright highlighter नहीं है. So I always carry this just to use it as a eyeshadow. Then I have this setting spray from Morphe. It gives a very nice dewy finish, so I always like to carry this with me. Then of course my Fenty gloss. I'm carrying 2 lipsticks. One is from Kiko. It's in the shade Smart. It's not the shade that I usually wear, but I carry it just in case I want to feel a little more adventurous. So today I'm wearing this lipstick in combination with this one from Asa Beauty. This is a pinky nude. So I've applied this, but like I've dabbed it around, and then I've applied this, so it has made my lips a little darker. And I generally prefer to carry like a dark lipstick and a nude lipstick, so that I can mix and make my own shade, and I don't have to carry a lot of lipsticks. Then I have a lip pencil from Miss Claire. This is the blush which I have from Mars. It's pretty nice. I like this shade because then it's like sort of like a one and done it's sort of like a one and done blush, and I don't need a liquid blush underneath it because this one is pretty pigmented. So I like dab it very lightly with a brush and then apply it on my cheeks, and this is what I'm wearing right now also. But I've also applied the liquid blush underneath it, the Prosh one. Okay, so coming on to the eyes, I have my eyebrow pencil from the Face Shop. This is the one I always use, so that's what I'm carrying. This is a eyeshadow stick from Kiro. It's pretty nice. I think Kiro has some really nice products, and this is one of them. It's pretty nice. I use it very often, and it's sort of like a one and done thing. So you can put eyeshadow with it, you can make a liner with it, so multiple things you can do with this one. And generally I like to carry like multi-purpose things, so I don't want to carry like a different eyeshadow palette, I don't want to carry a different eyeliner. So generally I carry products जो dual या multiple uses है जिनके, so I don't have to carry a lot of things. Then I have this liner from Illity. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing the name right. This is a brown eyeliner, and generally I'm at a phase that I prefer brown liners more because ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा natural लगते हैं black से. Black looks very stark, so it's very rare that I'm using a black liner. Today also I'm using this eyeliner. I've made like a half wing with this, and then I'm carrying 2 colorful eye pencils. One is from LA Girl and one is from Lakme. Then again, these were in my project pan, so I thought why not carry it in case I am in the mood to do like a colorful eyeliner. And that's all that I had in my makeup bag. So in case you're interested in the makeup bag, it's sort of like a luggage organizer which I got from Meesho, and if you're interested in buying that, let me know in the comments. I'll send you the link. And yeah, stay tuned for more such videos, and you know what to do, so like, share, subscribe, and yeah, okay, bye.